Hello everyone, Namaskara, and it's great to have you all back again. There's nothing better than a fresh smelling home. I think the aroma that lingers around just invigorates the senses and always has a positive influence on my mood. So if you're looking for ways to keep your home smelling great, then jump on in and let's get rolling. Cross ventilation. This is actually an age-old process followed back home in India, and I never realized the greatness of it until I had to live inside closed doors always. For this, all you have to do is open windows or doors that are almost opposite each other in a building. I love doing this here in Houston as we're always used to breathing conditioned air thanks to the humidity outside, so this becomes a perfect way to air out spaces. Plants inside the house are another great way to purify the room naturally. It's super easy and I think they look aesthetic as well. I have one in my living room, a few in my entryway, and I have a hanging planter in my bathroom as well. Some of you might even recognize this from my previous video. A few creative solutions can result in a fresh smelling home and make super inviting home accents as well. Essential oils are godsend according to me. A million different ways to use just a few drops. Here I will show you a few ways I use this around the house. I'm using rose oil here, but feel free to use whatever. My first way is to use a few drops on the filter or the bag of the vacuum. This really depends on what kind of vacuum you own. Now I pop that right back in and vacuum as usual. The vacuum motor, when turned on, diffuses the aroma as you go through the entire house vacuuming. Works as an essential oil diffuser, and it's best because it gives the aroma while I'm cleaning. The second way I use it is to add a few drops on a cotton ball and place it in the pantry. My pantry can get really smelly at times. This really works best for small enclosed spaces like a closet or a drawer. I use some between my sofa as well to bring out the aroma. The next one is by far the easiest and works amazingly well. Whenever my husband changes the filter, I just add a few drops of my favorite essential oil on it. The fresh scent just circulates throughout the home as the air flows, and I reapply this as and when needed. This method is completely safe for all those who are wondering. Simmer. This works great for an Indian kitchen like mine filled with food odor. I like simmering scents right after I cook or while cooking sometimes as well. I just add water to a small pan and then add in my favorite scents. Here I am adding in rosemary, some cinnamon sticks, cloves and star anise. I bring this liquid to a boil and turn it off and let the delicious scent engulf my home. You can keep it turned on as well because the simmering just makes the aroma last longer. Lighting candles, rather scented candles, are the best way to keep your home smelling fresh, especially in areas of high traffic. There are of course a million different varieties available in the market, so choose the one that's right for you and makes your home smell pleasant. Good old incense is another great weapon for bad odor. They are fast and infuse strong smells really well. These are some of the ways I keep my home smelling fresh. Some methods are age-old and some have evolved in our modern day needs, but they're all natural. Let me know if you know of any hacks that you use to keep your home smelling like heaven always. I would love to learn. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. To get notifications, do not forget to hit the bell icon, and I shall see you soon in my next one.